Hi children, welcome back to EVS class. Today we are going to continue the same lesson that the concept is the identifying the bird's nest. Rangappa, good. You know something about birds. Now I will show you a few nests. You have to identify them. Will you? Then he will show some nests. Then what with all the students they are guessing them. See here it is the these are the nest. It is done by a weaver bird. This nest is viewed by a weaver bird. It is very good bird which builds their nest better than a man. Okay. Now this is a nest of a sparrow. This is a nest of a sparrow. This is sparrow. Okay. Then this nest is owl's nest. It is a nest of owl. This is the crow's nest. It is the nest of crow. The crow is here. Ali, oh, look at the nest of the weaver bird. Weaver bird's nest you see here. The Ali is telling. It builds the nest better than a man. It builds the nest better than a man. Better than a man. And the weaver bird builds its nest. Who has taught this bird to build such a beautiful nest? Who has taught the bird to build such a beautiful nest? It is a art of this bird. That weaver bird builds its nest very beautifully. See here, children. Rangappa. Yes, it is true, Ali. Do you know what happened a few days ago? Our friend Kaleshi was grazing sheep. Rangappa was telling to Ali that his friend Kaleshi was grazing a sheep one day. What happened on that day we will see here. A car came and stopped. A car that time came and stopped. A man got out of the car and tried to pluck the weaver bird's nest. Then one man, what he done? He means he came from the car. He got up from the car and he tried to pick the weaver bird's one nest. He want to pluck it. That time what happened? See here. Kaleshi ran and stopped that man from plucking the nest. Kaleshi ran and he is the Kaleshi. He came and he stopped them to pluck the nest. That man was surprised. He was very much surprised that time. He asked, "Why do you stop me?" He asked to Kaleshi, why he has stopped me to pluck the nest? Kaleshi replied, "You will take the nest and go away. You will take the nest and go away. When the weaver bird comes, weaver bird come back, it will not find its nest. It will not find its nest. If you take and go, that bird come and see. If it comes, it will be in trouble. It will be in trouble and it will not find its nest. And it will be in trouble. I can't bear to see that." He can't bear to see that. The trouble of weaver birds. That man was surprised to see Kaleshi's love. He was surprised to see his love towards the weaver bird. Kaleshi's love for birds. He praised Kaleshi for teaching him a lesson. He returned without touching the nest. He returned without touching the nest. He go back to his place. Okay. Now Likita, what he tells here. Likita, what he asks. Rangappa, we also like to save the birds and their nest. What should we do? What we have to do to save the birds? Rangappa, tell us one idea. She is asking to Rangappa. Okay. Rangappa. Build small nests and hang them on the trees near the school or home. Keep small cups of water here and there for the birds to drink. Keep small plates of grains for them to eat. Grow more trees and protect them. It helps to increase the number of birds. What Rangappa gives the idea to all the children. Keep a plate of grains here and there and keep a water to drink. He keeps small cups of water here and there to the bird to drink and hang some nests near the schools and near your home. See here, it is one activity. You have to do it in your home. Okay. See here, Vanaja. Don't the birds harm your fields? Don't the birds harm your fields? Vanaja is asking to Rangappa. The birds are harming to our fields? Rangappa told, no child. On the other hand, these birds are very helpful. These birds are very helpful to us. They eat the insects which harm the crops. It eats the insects which harm our crops. They help by eating the insects. It helps the growth of the crops. It helps the growth of the crops. Okay, now see here children, what happened. Rangappa told to the Vanja, the birds do not harm our fields. They eat the insects which harm the crops, and these birds are very much helpful to us, and it helps the growth of the crops also. Okay, in the next upcoming part, the next part will be taught. By this we end our today's video. Thank you children.